Hey, you don't want this happen to your node, do you? But what if? Today we will look at turning on automatized backup options in Raspiblitz. Hello, I'm Tony from Explore Crypto channel, and by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. That is famous Benjamin Franklin quote and the theme for today's video. In my intro, I was a bit overdramatic. First of all, your channel and overall LND data and configs for Raspiblitz live on your hard drive or SSD, not on the Raspberry Pi itself. Hard drives have pretty high rate of failure, especially on continuous use, like in the case of Raspiblitz. But there are two main ways of migrating the node. First one require manual stop of LND and copying of the whole LND channel database to a new node. Upon starting on a new location, the channel will still be opened and node will behave like the old one. There is one but. If you abruptly power off LND, it is scary to use this method. If you'd use backed up channel data to restore channels on nodes that had an accident, you may not have the latest state of your channels backed up, especially if that is a big node with a lot of activity. Upon restoring, the other party can see if you are signaling older state of the channel and can call penalty transaction on you, so you would lose all your funds. There is a second major way of backing up the node, and in LND it's called static channel backup. In the case of abrupt power off, upon restoring your node, the node will use the static channel backup to signal to other peers to force close the channels for you. In this case, the possibility of losing funds is much lower, but all the channels will be closed. If you want to know more about it, watch my video on static channel backups on LND. The second option is used to create backups for Raspiblitz, and there are two possibilities. Either backup to Dropbox, which I would suggest, or to USB drive. How to turn it on for Dropbox? First step is to go to Settings, Node Settings and Options. Under letter D, you will have Static Channel Backup on Dropbox. Press space and confirm with Enter. You can open the instructions from the link. If you have logged into your Dropbox account, go to the link dropbox.com/developers/app/create and choose a type of API from the list. It's Dropbox Legacy API. Next, under type of access, choose app folder, and in the next step, write the name of your app as you wish. On the following screen, under Generate Access Tokens section, please click on Generate, which will show you the string of characters. Copy it. I am blurring my string because of privacy. And when copied, let's go back to Raspiblitz menu. Paste the string into the field in the window. Confirm, and Raspiblitz should start the script that is pushing the recent static channel backup to your own Dropbox. To confirm if it works, open or close the channel and see in Dropbox if the date of the change is the same as the date when you've done the changes. Upon some accidents with your node, I hope they won't happen, but you can use your seed plus the static channel backup to recover funds. And obviously, doing this process with Dropbox may leak some of your privacy, so be aware of that. You basically connect to your Tor node and you're connecting with your private information, so be aware of some possible leaks. Backing up to USB is even simpler. Plug in the USB drive, literally 500 megabytes should be enough for most people. In Raspiblitz menu, go to Settings and press space under Static Channel Backup on USB drive. Confirm formatting device, obviously it would erase all the files in there. And after a few seconds, it's done. We are close to finishing this series. In the next video, which will be released on Wednesday, I will guide you on how to connect Raspiblitz using Tor to Zeus mobile wallet so you can enjoy using your home-based node not only from your desk but from every internet connected place. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, share it around or press the thumbs up icon underneath. If you like my content, consider subscribing and most of all, keep hacking and have a great time.